Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. Today we're here with another one. Digga D, red light, green light. We're here with Digga D, red light, green light. So we're not wasting no time. We're gonna jump straight to that one and see what go on. So let's go, my G. Let's go.
You will be playing red light, green light.
Let me just say this. I'm mainly here for this video. Midday after the video.
You have been eliminated.
Back. Relax.
Yo. It was us that did it, it was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. It was us that did it, it was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. Red light, green light. You know what, we're leaving the scene like. Red light, green light. Bring a 4-4 to a street fight. Everyone knows my age and this whack thing is a puppy. Chihuahua. I got guns with banana clips. My last resort is a brocky.
Yo, Digga D, respect for that one. You're creative, G. You're creative. Obviously, for those who know what Squid Game is, they know which Rocky I live under. At the #1 show on Netflix right now, the #1 series. So this is the first game in it. Digga D work rate just step on the next level. Big up, my G. You take the thing serious now. You see me? Red light, green light, bring a 4-4 to a street fight. Everyone knows my age and this whack thing is a puppy. Chihuahua. I got guns with banana clips. My last resort is a brocky. Everyone knows my age and this rap thing is a puppy. Everyone best run back from me if I told rap 5 ton that duppy. Leave that dead alive. I beg a lie. Start calculate how much fish and bread I buy. When copper shot and leather fly. Handguns with attachments and hella buy. Breeze cock it and watch one of them jump out. Everything in the 9X get pump out. You know that. Yo, the custom accurate. Apart from obviously I green them area in the thing, but the custom accurate, bro. The custom accurate, the mask are accurate. I love it, dad. I love it, fun of it. Yo. Atmosphere with my guns, but everyone's watching them out with my guns. If I feel any static, I'll go for the matic. I start spraying and writing. Copper shot, jump out his jacket, then jump in the jacket and burn your flesh when I slap it. Mix the 3. You hear that? Copper shot, what I'm saying? Feel any static, I'll go for the matic. I start spraying and writing. Copper shot, jump out his jacket, then jump in the jacket and burn your flesh when I slap it. Mix the copper shot, jump out of this jacket, jump in your jacket, burn to your basically, I tell him I go shoot in your bomber clot. Him I go shoot you. Yeah, copper shot, I go poison your kin. Come, remember you have all different type of shot, you know. You have alpine, you have copper shot, you have blue tip, you have all different type of shot. We do different things to your body, but all of them eventually kill you. You see me? 3 2s with a 7.62, that's the SK and the AK. Plus I thought this thing was some play. Went there, let that rip like a baby. It was us that did it, it was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. It was us that did it, it was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. Red light, green light. You know what, we're leaving the scene like. If Digga D, imagine Digga D running Squid Game. You think anybody would survive? You think anybody would actually survive in this? I don't think nobody would survive. Red light, green light, bring a 4-4 to a street fight. Yo, don't move. Fuck, yo. Well, I'ma slap one in your face. Hola. The man go patwa. Man go patwa. It was me that chinged up. It was us that did it. It was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. Red light, green light. You know what, we're leaving the scene like. Red light, green light. Bring a 4-4 to a street fight. Don't move. Fuck, yo, don't move. The mumbo clock move, man. Don't move. Fuck, yo. I'm slap on your head, boy. Big up yourself, G. You don't know, say you're a yard man, too, no, G. Slap one in your face. Yo. Bye. Got a banana clip for the moon, but it ain't coming with rice. I bought up then wall. Block scum got him there too, so we done him there twice. Fed said that I shot someone in the face and they lost sight and both their eyes. I never believed. Yo, I'm gonna stop the video if you say this. Listen to me, dog. Here, Digga D. I love Digga D. You have to give Digga D his respect. Cause the respect is due. Hate him, I love him, dog. You have to recognize this man's talent. This man is talented, bro. Because me never expect him to drop a song like this. You see me? But he might do it in a film own way and it'll work. It's very interesting. I love it, dog. I love it.
Leave then calm my toe, man slipped on the wing and got chinged in mine. Say the word, I'll kill him, bro. Can't run here, no spring chicken. Course he can run, bro. Who am I kidding? Screaming water, course he got less spilling. Hand the hand thing or the teeth get filling. No more teeth that is grinning. 6 gold teeth, fling them out and grill him. Get the address and pull up where he's billing. I'm Digga.
6 gold teeth, fling them out and grill him. 6 gold teeth, fling.
Bruv, who am I kidding? Screaming water, course he got less spilling. Hand the hand thing or the teeth get filling. No more teeth that is grinning. 6 gold teeth, fling them out and grill him. Get the address and pull up where he's billing. I'm Digga and roll off, putting in work, I'm drilling. Just so now I'm spinning. Hopped out the trap with my trousers up, had my arms in the Mary swinging. They said I can't come to the club with a fizzy, you know I still brought my thing in. They're like, how you get so much women, you're winning, retired. So come and take this ribbon. It was us that did it.
The visual, yo, all I'm paying attention to is the visual. That's why I'm not really trying to break on the lyrics. But this is a masterpiece, bro. Me like this. Digga D, me like this, brother. This is a fucking masterpiece, bro. No joke, my G. This is a masterpiece, bro. Yeah, bro.
It was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. It was us that did it. It was us that did it. It was me that chinged up. Red light, green light. You know what we're leaving the scene like. Red light, green light. Bring a 4-4 to a street fight. It was us that did it. 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 Red light, green light. Red light, green light. Bring a 4-4 to a street fight.
Hey Benji, you know this one bangs, innit?
Bang, yes?
Yo, Mac. Relax.
Yo, Digga, big up yourself. Digga, big up yourself. That brother, that bad. This bad, brother. This bad, this creative, you fuck. Digga, big up yourself, Michi. That's all I'm gonna say, big up yourself. And I know your fans are gonna really like that one, yeah, and enjoy that one, yeah. If you say you jump on it first, because obviously you don't know Squid Game is a hype right now and people are jumping on the Squid Game. But you jump on it so deep that you actually get the whole costumes. The whole costumes. You understand? Yo, big up yourself, G. Big up your fucking self, bro. Big up yourself, dog. Song bad. Video bad. Visuals are crazy. I love the visual. Big up the production team behind this one. Big up on yourself. You see me? But guys, this is where I'm gonna leave that one. If you like that one, please leave a like. Please subscribe around there if you're new. Big up all the new subscribers them. Big up the original subscribers them. Big up the people who view and don't subscribe. Big up on yourself, see me too. My respect on the see me. You hear that? So I will see you guys when I see you guys. Alright? Peace out.